I had asthma since that dust from the Australian fires came over, so I've had asthma for about 4 weeks.
Yep.
And I've been to the doctor, and I was on the wrong medication, so they changed my medication, but it still wasn't better.
Yep.
And I was coughing all through this before,
Yeah.
but when you prayed, it's gone.
What hand did you got? Okay, take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Feel good?
Yeah.
And he says you can heal them too in Jesus' name.